steel pipes, and its diameter is 57 mm, and its working purse is 3 mm. Today, I still use our XT80 welding torch to weld its filled iron gas into the pipe, and this side is still closed to balance the gas pressure. And the digger core. Okay, start the machine. The welding is begin, and you can from here to see the internal working. This welding method is no need wire. And during the welding, I just need to wait for it finish. It just take 1 to 2 minutes to finish the work. And you can see this white part, it can be replaced to for your pipe diameters. This one. And it can weld a large pipe and